54 Tango, roger, left turn out then, runway 08 into left-hand pattern initially, runway 08. Echo Whiskey, runway 26, left turn out southeast, clear for takeoff, wind 180 degrees, 5 knots.
Runway 26, clear for takeoff, left turn out, Delta Whiskey. Okay, we can't circle from the other one. Turning it down, 2000. What's contact your range to tower on 1TT, that's 1905. 1905, number 2, copy, Gloucester Airport. Gloucester approach, good morning, base 6 service, report 10 miles to the southeast. Gloucester 401020, outbound Gloucester Tango for the Island 26. Number 30 right.
54 Tango, PC12 beach is on a copy of 2.5 miles an hour.
Side,
Okay, 54 Tango, roger.
What is that freaking name?
Police 950, Gloucester Tower, roger, runway 26, cleared, low approach, wind 2106.
You can stop climb altitude 2,800 feet and report reaching. Stop climb 2,800 report reaching. Positive, that's message. Yeah, we're not actually ready for the second approach yet, because we've delayed quite a lot. Downwind to land. 54 Tango, number 1, 4 final. Number 1, Wilco, Aerosol Tango.
Oh, hell
Probably going airside as well.
Well, it actually just means G-B-Z. See, that one's got propellers.
Four Tango final. 54 Tango, runway 26, clear to land, surface wind 2106. It's land 555. Which one's your 8555? They're going to Alpha 1, Aerosol Tango. Gloucester, again, go for exit in uniform. At the maintenance hangar, request taxi time to base. Go for exit in uniform, Gloucester Tower, roger.
Roger, what's the radar? I think has several flight plans in the system.
What are they? It's something connected. They dig the trench, backfill it, it's put a pipe in. We must be putting telephone.
Charlie Delta Mike X-ray, approaching Alpha 2 is ready for departure. Final
Out Sweden. Oh, I feel it's true.
right turn north from 86, clear for takeoff, subsequent 1407. It's a right turn north runway 26, clear for takeoff, go Mike X-ray.
When I first started going out breeder, Stuart still worked in blooming liquid. He used to let me in for free.
No, Mum, I love the whole combination.
And also, as well, why are you shutting this down?
Golf Mike Tango, 6 seconds active, and right turn southwest on my 08, clear for takeoff.
With a switch southwest for takeoff.
Number 2, departing northwest, left turn north on runway 08, clear for takeoff, steps in 17010. Left turn north on runway 08, clear for takeoff, average 5.5 altitude.
453
QNH 1019, squawking 4531, request taxi. 54 Tango, Gloucester Tower, taxi holding point Charlie 1, cross runway 03. Taxi holding point Charlie 1, cross runway 03, air is 54 Tango. Clear for takeoff for Mike Express. And off again from Hexton base before final number 1. Copy me from Hexton base now for final number 1. Off the block boys, visually different time and circularity of the right side. Contact inside, so Alpha Go. The hydrogen might pass is turning northwestbound off the left hand side. Tango Mike 6 and set your active. 5 miles. 5 1, to contact Tower 12 T-1905. 1229 is there, 5 there, 5 1.
Yeah, a lot bigger. A lot bigger.
Whereas I feel like Hector's face has changed.
Alpha, right 10 half feet on the 0, Gloucester takeoff, subsequent 16010, gusting 205. 4 left from the 0 to number 2. Number 1 is a twin star. Still have it. S71 is on fuel. November 71 is on fuel.
It's like an American registration, it's got an A. Give ourselves grace.
Yeah, of course.
Hector keeps reaching out. Goodbye.
Fine, I
Do
got
you think it's better now though?
Just trying to
Where it is?
I think it's better, yeah, but it's like you say, it's the foot.
Let me pull him down.
Are you watching ketchup? I was like, where's the ketchup one?
I got it.
You hold it, you're a big boy.
47 Roger, basic service, QNH 1019, walk 4531. Report past Aviation. Forest Aviation,
Tango, Roger, fire. Holding quick Charlie 1, line up on wait to runway 08. Circuit, one hit your airborne runway 08, so then when you're downwind you can make a 180 turn to reach destiny. Are you happy with that?
Hey, I'm happy with that, Air 54 Tango.
Air 54 Tango, Roger, left turn out then, runway 08 into left-hand pattern initially, runway 08 clear for takeoff, wind 190. 1 Lima X-ray, hold position, you can expect to depart from runway 26. After departure, left turn out on track Brecon. Climb, flight level 9 at 0. Cardiff clears Raven 51 Lima X-ray to go controlled airspace on track Brecon from the climb, flight level 9 at 0. Squawk 5455. Next frequency is Gloucester Coast 128, decimal 555. Lima X-ray, enter backtrack line of weight runway 26.
I think the clicking landing up runway 26, I would say was excellent. Now in use, hanging runway 26 now in use, that's the post down.
Approach on trade decimal 555.
Oscar 555, November 555. Hanging November. November 55, Tango November 2004.
Hello, 54 Tango, report to downwind and then expect to reposition to runway 26 right hand downwind.
Wilco, Air 54 Tango.
Logan 51 Lima X-ray, traffic about 3 miles southwest to the field, southwest bound is 8.
Downwind to touch and go.
54 Tango, roger. The wind at the moment 190 degrees at 16 knots. Did you clear runway 21?
190.